Hi, Minuteman 6 here from Minuteman Precious Metals. It's August 5th, 2024 at approximately 7:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is your morning market update. I did want to mention there's been a long break since my last morning market update. I did 25 days of annual training at Camp Shelby, Mississippi. 106 degrees most of the time while I was there. 90% humidity, tons and tons of rain. Just a horrible, horrible place to be in a training environment. But I'm through that. That was why I was unable to post videos for quite some time. Unhospitable environment, very little sleep on my end. So no real opportunity to post videos during much of that time. So I apologize for that, but we're back with our morning market updates. If you would, please hit a like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. I do post those new market video updates Monday through Friday, unless I'm on military duty and I can't get to those. So if you would ring that bell icon, and you'll be notified of my new videos. Gold and silver have dropped drastically today. Gold is down 42.27 at the time of filming. That's down to $2,400.90. Silver is also down a whopping $1.53 to 27.05. That's over 5% this morning in morning trading. So the gold to silver ratio is just drastically up to 88.82. There's some truth in the old chestnut that all correlations go to 1 in a crash. And with traders needing to liquidate winning positions to cover margin calls, that's what's affecting gold right now. Gold's volatility is signaling a panic in equity markets. And so that panic is leading back to gold and silver. So today we saw a steep drop, and that was in contrast to what most people saw. And when I say people, I mean analysts. Most analysts saw coming this week in gold and silver. And that was according to Kitco News' weekly gold survey. Most people did see the market going higher this week based off fundamentals. The one analyst that I did see who got that right this morning was Adam Button. Adam Button, he's the head of currency strategy at Forex Live. He was looking through the equity sell-off and watching treasuries as a true barometer for the market sentiment. And he saw that the bond market was sniffing out some big trouble. He said that in the benefit of hindsight, he thinks that the Fed has their messaging wrong. He stated that they should have spent a lot more time earlier saying we're going to start to ease, we want to move slowly and gradually, so we need to start to ease well before inflation moves down. He said, going from 5.5 down to 5.25, it still seems very restrictive, and you're not really waiting. Now everybody is past inflation. He said nobody's seeing real inflation now. We're getting Intel laying off 20,000 people. So inflation is over. Now you're really looking at a rough job market moving forward. Generally, always fighting the last war is what he sees the Fed doing, and they're just late to the party. Button said that we're on the tail end now, and we're basically wagging the dog. The market has the ability to bully the Fed, and I think we've forgotten that there's that a little bit. And due to the COVID cycle, we see things differently. The irony that he saw, and it's what we're seeing this morning in the market, is that when markets get too scared, they sell off precious metals as well. And that's really what's happening today. They're selling off precious metals as well. Gold, he said, has that problem with too much of a good thing. And everybody remembers COVID. Everyone who was long going into COVID and thought gold will be the place to be. It eventually was, but it wasn't in March 2020. Right now, he still sees gold as high. In an uncertain environment, the instinct is always to take profits on good trade, and gold has been one of those great places to be. So he expected markets to sell gold because they've just been such a good trade. He said the smart move might be to stay on the sidelines in the near term. He'd like to see gold fall in the near term and just not rush into buying. He thought that next week could be higher, next week being this week, but it's not easy to move into gold right here. I will tell you, on this move down, I bought 2 ounces this morning. I worked really hard for 25 days straight in the Mississippi sun, and a lot of the money that I put back from that work was to go into gold. That's part of my kitty, to go into gold. And I saw this downward move as an opportunity, an even bigger opportunity for silver. I will say, silver dropped over 5%. Even as I've been filming this, silver is down almost 7%. That's just astronomical. It's down below $27 as I'm currently filming. Silver right here down below $27. And that would be a gift to most people. The reason why I'm buying gold right now instead of silver, which goes against my trading sentiments, with the GSR being up over 88, is the fact that if we do enter a recession cycle, silver is mainly an industrial metal. So I do expect it to see some pullbacks if it's viewed by the overall market as an industrial metal and not by us, the stackers, as a monetary metal. So just huge sell-offs this morning as we enter the week. I see it as a buying opportunity. Other people and analysts say to wait on the sidelines until fall, possibly until October. That's what Mr. Button said on Friday. So we will see where the market takes us, but it was too much of an opportunity for me right now, so I had to jump into this market. I do want to say thank you to all my viewers who stuck with me, my subscribers. We're back in this without any foreseeable break in the future due to military duty. So I appreciate you guys who have stuck with me through this thin moment, not one of my better moments, but through a thin moment where I wasn't able to post videos. Again, I'm going to do my part if at all possible. It just wasn't possible for me in that environment. If you made it this far, again, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Minuteman Precious Metals for market updates and analysis. Thanks, and have a great day.